See, I can't go cheap. I got it. You can get you one pocket out. Where did this house? Get that, they got it. Yes, I know. Tubelu. What come on, oraifite? They got it. Ordinana buzanda. If I know where all the timpunasi, Ugochi Pambase oneti. No toto na pale ono na nkuzi. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu. Odo mano oraifite. Odo masozi. Ozo ọdịnala gabadi. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu. Odo manije mono. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gabadi. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu. Odo mano oraifite. Odo masozi. Ozo ọdịnala gabadi. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu. Odo manije mono. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gabadi. Eze-Ana gadi. Ugochi tubelu gadi. Ugochi tubelu temple. Oya di. Maka na eziokwu anwụ chacha. Ndị oge dị anyị fada mbaki ndị oche dị anyị fada mbaki. Fada sikara aka gwara ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke feka buru Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ efekwa chọọchị fa obodo ga-aga mmadụ Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe anyị si na ọma mme ọdịnala ọmanwụ chacha oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkụzi Chukwu abịa ma gbaa ume ọdịnala ya dị. Ọtụtụ ọmanụ ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo abịakwa m n'oge awa ka eziokwu oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba. Ọ bụrụ na taa ka ị na-afụ m na soshal midia, afọ m bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu na tempụl nke dị na oraifite na Anambra steeti. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry. Bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. You can call me an ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji bịa n'ụbọchị taa bụ what you must avoid, what you should not do as a man. Believe in me, it's a life-changing topic. You must learn something today. Ụmụ nwoke ibe m nye na m ntị ụnụ. Achọrọ ka m mepee anya ụnụ ụnụ mara ihe ụnụ kwesịrị ime maka mmadụ ibe anya ma n'ikpeazụ gee ntị. It's a life-changing topic. Mana before anyị gaba n'iru, echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Febụwarị ga-ebido na Mọnde. Yes, ị nwere tata bụ Saturday and Sunday only iji wee sonye na ya bụ aja. Echefuna na aja mbụ na aja ịpụta ihe anyị na-achụ n'isi onye ọbụla ndị sonyere anyị, and ọsọ ndị sonyere anyị a ga-enweta ihe onyonyo etu ya bụ aja si malite na Mọnde. Ọha nwa ga-enwetakwa etu ọ ga-esi wee chịkọta na 19th. Aja ndị eje na tempụl je chụọ aja n'isi ndị niile sonye na ya bụ aja, and first of the temple kwa ụbọchị 14 good days na-achụ aja dị iche iche. Present ya their prayer request to the entities of powers at the temple. Ezigo na aja akwụnye ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ego. Ichi isonye na aja ihe ị ga-eme bụ ndị na-esonye bugo amarugo ka esi eme, mana maka gị bụ onye ọfụ chat send them 3 prayer request gị. If order ya token to the account number, a chat them na WhatsApp, may need some details from you. Can we go a book?
Eche chat na WhatsApp 0805-7837-672. I repeat 0805-7837-672. Now I'm here kwesịrị ịma echefuna n'ụbọchị Monday and Thursdays ụbọchị anyị ga-ekwubi okwu n'isi Friends of the Temple all over the globe. Yes, ị nwere ike ịbịakwa for counseling. Counseling is free, mana afọ anyị na-agba distance is not a barrier, a na-akwụ ụgwọ. Anyị nwere ike ịgbalị afọ ebe ọ bụla ị nọ under the sun. Then nke ọzọ anyị ji maka ịbịa isiokwu anyị n'ụbọchị taa, ekwuola m ya. Isiokwu anyị bụ ihe nwoke ọbụla apụghị ime. Ihe adịrọ mma ka onye ọbụla kpọrọ onwe ya nwoke, ma iwu okenye nwoke bụ nwata nwokorobịa, nwata onye ntorobịa ka na-etolite, what you should know and what you should not do. Onya bụ isiokwu agba nke mbụ ya, part 1. Let me give you an example. Then, as a father, you must know this. Once you are above 30, you have already started aging. Yes. When you are growing up as a child, tupu okike merie no nwere chemical dị n'ahụ mmadụ. Ọrụ ya bụ nourish the cells and organ to make sure na ahụ na-arụ ọrụ optimally. You got it? But once you are above 30, that chemical will stop coming on its own. So you need this really nri, could be fruits and vegetable supplement, name them. And here in water those minerals and nutrients your body needs in order to remain healthy. Macaroni dendo or to put homa. And because any weak body, anybody with weak body cannot have strong spirit. Because the body, the spirit, for the spirit to function, spirit needs the strong radiation and healthy water at that to bond very well in order for the spirit to do exploits. You know what I mean? Yes. So don't weaken your body by unnecessary fasting. In other words, you are making your body radiation to be weak. Yes. Now, what lecture for another day. But you must feed well, good food. Yes. Oh, here now, Wopi. Madam with wrong plan. You deny your own good meals. You deny your own good care, medical care. You deny your own some good time, good moments. You deny your own that happiness. You deny your own good things of life. Thinking with the wrong plan that you are investing on your children. My dear brother, shine your eyes. I can tell you it is wrong plan. Never you invest all you have 100% to your children, thinking that na have a future, na have a tomorrow future. That is the problem Nigeria, this nation has, because our heroes, our past leaders, squandered our wealth without keeping anything, have future plan. You as a man, onye akpatalụ na ndị ọrụ oyibo, ndị gọọmenti, ndị nwere akọ, ma na iburugoro a civil servant, na o nwere ego a na-akọ for your own salary, they will never pay you all. As a civil servant, yes, I got to have on salary. Why keeping some percentage? I got to get at old age, knowing well that fully that your old age, maybe you are 80 and above, 70 and above. At this point in time, you need the more nutrients, you need the vitamins, you need the medication in order to remain alive. And at that point in time, you are no longer active working. So they will keep some money aside as your pension. Take good care of yourself as a senior citizen. That is it. You was me. Manan ma check walage. Especially you traders, yes. Even that same Sabbath. You should not rely solely on that your pension. You know why? Because pension in this country, as at when you. Some people have slumped and died because they depend so much on that their pension, and that pension is not forthcoming. And when you get a local government, Africa screening and this and that, akwari akon bagaba ajembere. On when you get on no around and one out here, knowing fully well that he borrowed the transport to Ebia. On when it is from you know that Maka that wrong plan here has been dashed. You know that So maybe I'll spend there all your earnings for your own children. My dear, it is wrong plan. Can't even argue. I'm not kunana. Obody we trader. Make sure that there was some percentage you keep aside for your personal investment. You rely on at old age. If you have money, you can build plaza. If you don't have money, you can build tenant house, you can build shops, you can build whatever. You can invest on industrialization. You can build in building factories or whatever it is. But let it be something that we invest. That is an investment. Yes. An investment that you will rely on at old age. That once you're alive, you keep on benefiting, taking your investment, use it for your own well-being till you finish your lifespan here on earth. Madam, maybe as you were everything in well, 100% you were said, okay, well, so no more gas, my dear, it is wrong plan. I can tell you that in Messian down when the Mariano today they are sick and weak. Omoyani is nowhere to be found. After the after Ugochi, after John, after Emeka, after Ogbuefi Eze-Ana, had on their bar, na quarter. You know that? Mano Mazi, Ogbuefi Eze-Ana, sick as well. Thinking the Hage that Yanka, I can tell you, wrong plan. If you are one of those people that are now, you shall see healthy, thinking that 100% you give it to the children, thinking that you take it, I can tell you that your child will you get cheap on the other guy and then I go to one baby. Oh, when you get a chum, Tawani, when you keep up Yana Bino. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, could you get out of and when what has broken? Oh, they got at its own free will. So it is wrong plan for one. Assume if you have enough, to take good care of them all and say have enough. But what I'm saying, mark my words, what I'm saying is this: make sure you did not spend all you have. Example, maybe you're a trader. Maybe you spend like 60% or 70% of your earning for taking care of others, including your family. But keep that 30% for your future in form of investment, which you will rely on. Omagan day when that's the wrong plan. Where they go, they will invest in a at old age. Had denied you have medication. In fact, all your see from stage 1 by stage 2. Because the hand when you take care of their sickness as it's supposed to be at early enough. Now up go stage 2. And those children, Oji Maki here were happy to take care of Onye is nowhere to be found. As we speak. Now, it is the wrong plan for you. So anyway, you want to sort it yourself out, but make sure you have plan for the future. Don't invest everything on your children thinking that they will remember you tomorrow. They might not. Yes. Mokita. Nakachuku. Keno. Diko only one man. The man is a friend. He's from South. He has children, but he has only one son. This man Please take care of your health challenge. He keep on insisting that his greatest joy will be to see his son graduating for the university. Before you know it, or lose a pensioner, or go that age, or lose a pensioner. But not try, but don't know where he can, all the little service he has, or use the worst of home. Man, by that time, I had to go or a diabetic person and some other health issues. Problem I had to go like stage 2. But he would have prevented them early enough by doing some minor thing would have done. But of you know those things get go neatly. Face only. When we are just better service, we want all na Port Harcourt. One of these days, we are 1 year and a half done here. After office in here, Nasi can go can make arrangements, but he take care of his health. Upon the one accident, more at the spot. After a few hours, I was in the Siena corner, we were accident. Almost in corner church and on nature, we are corner chair. My health a promise and again, go a week away, Joe know everything got worse. You know, after a few days, man passed on. What a pity. Here na check while again, in as much as he spend all the money after graduating, after service, or so that the my masters, na Ghana, my masters, na UK, you keep spending, you keep spending, you keep spending. As we speak in Nigeria, when they were double masters, yet here we all. Because Nigeria are going to graduate everywhere. After graduating, also can you make masters while waiting for job? You keep spending, thinking that I'm investing on my children. Tomorrow they will remember you. Onye gwalagi no ga no tezbo nwa anya echi ga elotagi. Onye gwara na nwa ga anwa echi ga elotagi out of town. So this message is direct advice to men. Even if you remove 70%, if you are 70%, you kept aside for spending, is enough to offer them all the rest, no problem. But make sure you make plan for your own age. Making plan your own, what I'm against is relying as in making your own plan, thinking that your children will take care of you at old age. Even they keep at old age. In half what I can before the Omegum Nanya, if what I can Yana Opiko the corner, this Coco man, ready stop man. But all what I can near Buono, Abianata Bunike, or only the best of education. Mana at the end, of Bruzen on Eddie stop here. Macana over the many beers, okay, Saturday wine. Men, patch. A hotel one. So it takes care of the father or for the say something very important. Mano near will only on confidence. So everyone na money hope 100%. Don't hope for anybody. At old age, was able na these look they will hit the two anya. That I go, one walk ball on the phone, that they can email, now it okay. Obronke na watching it na boy fanny. See and rice I don't know. And normally month end the bridge medication. Or I post to give. On what the medication equals either every month. If for the first month, second month, another third month, or fourth month, you know Doctor Naba. Why they die bet Tanya to say money Macarijo on Egon in line, I bomb Mugino. So then I check while I gave Moke. Obu Mehe. Yes, Mobron you take care of your own needs. Then, since you know, Nime, okay, mehe bonjo, okay, moko bonjo. One key, Mrs. Ye, Monsieur Bru here, you guys pay for your life. So, it's good to spend, yes, but make sure you spend wisely. Because on your equal maka children, yes, you are a child. Malakwana gonna give them okay over Libya. na nna gị na nne gị share love together, then present your opportunity to the spiritual world. You were reincarnate here. You are owing them good respect and honor for presenting opportunity for you to reincarnate. And with millions of souls in the spiritual realm, they beg for opportunity for them to reincarnate. So your father is not owing you anything. Yes, because you demanded in the spiritual realm as a spiritual jam because you don't know who you are, whether you exist in the spiritual realm. But you have been there in the spiritual realm begging to be given opportunity for you to reincarnate on earth in order to achieve one or two, to mature as a human spirit. Iwe chigano to me chair where this active marriage only able consciously. Mana opportunity are present here. If that's here, I'm up tagging on what. Then I'm not try their best. Well, so how will he get? Get a gauge up over today. I had some men saying it, some young boys, and the father bring out to this world. Therefore, now the father gave you all the burden. Why the father were present here, now because they don't understand how things work. Believe in me, you will only believe here. In the spiritual realm, you begged and pleaded to be given opportunity to reincarnate here. So an opportunity was presented to you and you reincarnated. So you dare not, as in burdening your parents, that know how I'm for that now I'm for the fact that I'm for the fact that they are or when see a medication or even the tongue don't area no can do no every month Macana or maybe because no Moroge. I want to a certain food. Yes, it could be expensive foods. Macandria will deny you only those foods because of not only take care of you. I want one no they take care of who only got pay us tomorrow. So in that check wabona. None again Moroge, Yagini, Zwogan out how we is enough. You owe them all that respect and honor. Macana got to get to what I agree about Libya. You will refuse to respect their parents and give them respect. Send the half because now again, no get jolly, go able no provide the game again a travel over the Igbo. You need new unnecessary pressure. Some parents now will give him on court because of pressure from the children. You need to hear parents, you will give them the better. Some parents don't walk today because of burden. Unnecessary pressure given to them by the children. Actually, people don't pass through. Some men are not having their BP. I want to focus on the market or some. Do I know that the only killer who these are important, a rich man. But too much can wear the masters the UK. Cause for the family now on the root or die. They have to go on a guy as big mamma, more on I didn't know wrong. Naganagata today in our area, Kongo, Kenya, Brolan. Go was had a cocoa was an hour. What I get off 29 years. Can yan I have near 4 decades. Or where happened in the general piano, whenever I had it. Where did your documents? You don't near. Or where would you board the school butter? Well, if you say I just say can like a nacho. Or where say that your documents? From there, we don't know. Was it you alone near? Don't know. No me and I no walk. Nah, you can natural document. Or go aqua. Oh, now here can now leak him. We can done a check. No, no, Cobia. Eh? Cobia, Lady Anya. No, I did not know my document. Okay, Belacqua. Believe in me, BP area. By next tomorrow, and walking around. A man of the what I can able to read here. Walk over that. Yes, you ever do beer. Kid, Chimon and Nugget, a guy and Nugget Patalobo, effort to me room. Don't rely on your father's word. Go to them, Madoma, to get a how many vote. Before the guy checking, or be a property. ụfọdụ ga na-eche ka nne ha nwụrụ ka ọ bịa ka ọ care about nwoke ọ ya asụsụ ihe ọ na-achọ ọ bụ ka ị nwụrụ ka ọ bụrụ the youngest landlord. A boy of 29 years na-achọ ka ọ bụ landlord before decade ka efu ebe ụwa nọ na ihe m na-agwa ụmụ nwoke ibe m bụ never is it is a wrong plan for you to give your children impression na ọ bụrụ na achọghị afro na ha ga-eke ya properties. It is wrong plan. They will kill you. Children are now, they will kill you because they want to inherit your properties. Believe in me, I will advise you. In as much as in our go, it's like a go stepping on toes because of material things. You know why? Those things are in excess. As some them man, don't pursue them in excess. Because if you pursue them in essence, you might not pay attention to your well-being, your health. And the Yamano idiots in that travel. Obona MSC, if you hear when he came and when he can walk over, that's your properties. Nobody will even take care of you. Instead, if you have that money, try as much as possible to help people, the needy you met on your way climbing. Your village people, the mad of people that came to you for one help or the other. Do you help them? Although necessary, when you hit the 4 days in the 10, although necessary. Man, you go to men market, you have some people who will 10 duplex, that is 4 days to 10. My dear, I will advise you. Once you work or something get take care of you at old age, pay more attention in helping the needy. You know why? When you are helping people and you become cause of joy to other human spirit, you do in the next world. Because you have fulfilled why you are created. Anywhere that world, I will advise you there's no need to amass such wealth that is too much for. In fact, you cannot even exhaust them in your lifetime. Then, even those your properties and their companies, you can will it to charity. You can give it to the for humanitarian services. I will advise you. Some of this your wealth. Let your children know that if natural today, now some of these investments, some of these properties, we go to charity. Believe in me. Believe in me. Like myself, if my children become of age to sit them down, I will tell them, look, some of this, my investment will go to charity. Believe in me, that is my lifestyle. Some of them will go for ordinary evangelization. Yes, some of them will go for ordinary evangelization. Yes, some of my kids, deserve what he deserve. Yes, again, take care of them. Only where you can. So what I can open now. When they when they go into one thing or the other, support them. Only where you can. But don't support them to the extent that you want to see or issue lack of love to yourself. Because the Almighty gave you that body, your earthly clock, yes, the body, to take care of it, to use it as an aid for your existence here on earth. So it is not a good thing for you to neglect that gift of body that God Almighty gave you. Man, baby, as in neglect that thing. A man na neglect that he help that but you neglect to take care of your body, eating good meals and taking good care of yourself. A man have easy now body caju. He have here the go number one thing the go number. Then we had rumpa. So here we hear the rumpa. Here we hear the rumpa. We easy get both of me. And here he easy both of them will go to one. But for now, good health. Then, when they no, na ị ga-enyere ha aka nyere ha aka. Then mana isi ka deny your onwe gị those things you need. Isi ka deny your onwe gị others ndị nọ na position na ị ga-enyere ha aka deny ya those things. Na-achọ ka ị na-amass those words na store ya for your children. It is wrong plan. Believe in me, you might be disappointed. They hear afọ na ụdị ụmụazị a na-amụpụta. So ị na-achọ kọwara ụmụazị na some of these things that are saved as their daddy properties will go to charity. And ha na-afịa anya na some of these things, this company, once you are no more, belong to one organization that promote ordinary. Yes, ha na-afịa na some of these properties belong to one organization that promote ordinary. By so doing, her malona, some of all the property. Let me give you an example. Ugochi to na temple as you speak now. Well, to put them mother, they no beneficiary. I now. Yes, I will. Yes, I want to them mother for those that less privileged, for those that no. I will. Then, I will support. I will for spreading evangelization. Like Moa, I'm a strong member of Guardian Religion. In fact, as we speak, I'm our station chairman, the oraifite station. Definitely, some of my thing, when I'm no more, we go for spreading the evangelization of God. You don't need to keep all those things, keeping them for their children. Your children will fight over those things. However, that does not mean nowhere if your children need basic things of life that you cannot give them. You can give them, but not to the extent that you deny yourself the basic need of life. Deny yourself taking good care of yourself. They are not thinking that you are saving money for them. Believe in me. Na for the fact na ọ bụ nna gị na ọ ga-eji ori ma for the fact na ọ bụ nna gị na ọ mereta onwe ya anya because na ọ bụ nna gị na anyị eme nke a ma lụkwa na ọgọdọ ga-eru nwoke ọbụla ebe o ruru ibi ya. Ị ga-alụ di, ị ga-alụ nwaanyị tomorrow, ị ga-amụta ụmụ nke gị, ị ga-efesi ihe fatherhood pụtara. When I was growing up, though I am not from rich family, but for one day, one of them pressurizing my dad. But he pressurized, do you know as we speak, no one, some children now confront their father openly, insult them. Some of their father will come and be begging, trying to go and borrow money. The man does not even have money. I want to work with the money of these people, but no. Being a pressurize here, on a jail and them madana, you're taking salt, they won't see where. Because of that, he pressurized here. They're even threatening. It's too bad. As a good message in Mosamunia, but I'm not check a while ago now. You work it. The two of you will plan, good plan for yourself at old age. Give me what I can. Walk over can I go there to the Malone or you work able to repair. Don't overpressure your parents into sickness. I can email you. Here we email, we come back to you. Your own children will treat you in that manner. That is the law of karma. Law of karma is all about giving what you give, you receive. Garbage in, garbage out. In the nature video, Obono Wolo, they talk about our family, Obono will add you and Akusia. Send the message in the WhatsApp. 0805 7837 672. He gave Melonia from Nanya. Forward this message, share it among your friends. By so doing, it might save life. Now, I took work, you can get me here in there. Only can you nation Aki Abia. Equal more congotin is in the Nebon the Woke. Then na tafufu Bruno. May they receive help. May they be healed from their sickness. And I pray as well for younger boys who dwell so much in pressurizing their parents to go extra mile in borrowing to disease because it is not a good life. May they rethink and begin today to be good children to their father, knowing fully well that blessing of a father is the blessing of their ancestors. Ndị Igbo na-atụ n'inu sị na nwatakịrị maara nna ya maara ndị Igbo. May they receive help. N'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Ana m agụkwazi ọfọ sị na akụ na ụba anyị bụ ụmụ nwoke tara afụfụ wee kpa anyị abutere anyị ọnwụ. Na nwa anyị ọbụla ama egbu anyị maka ihi na anyị kpatara akụ na ụba. Na akụ na ụba anyị ama eri isi anyị. N'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Onye ike niile si n'aka ya abịa. Ya gazienụ.